There's something on this paper. There's something on this paper. There's something on this paper. That's pretty good. In this quasi-envelope is the name of the person who is the Amy Learns to Cook Bosch stand mixer giveaway winner. Right here in this, this person is getting a Bosch mixer. Come join me and let's announce the winner. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So this is what everybody's been waiting for, right? We want to know who's getting a Bosch stand mixer. So if you're not familiar with a Bosch, this is a Bosch stand mixer. This mixer is known for doing amazing batches of cookies, cakes, breads, all that stuff. It has a huge bowl. I don't have my dough hook in here. It has a huge bowl. We did a gazillion cookies in this thing.
73.
Huge cookies.
Yeah.
We've done 10 pounds of mashed potatoes in this baby, and I did 10 loaves of bread in this mixer. There's not many residential stand mixers that can do what the Bosch can do. And it's an amazing mixer. The person who gets one of these is going to be a happy camper. It's going to be an amazing Christmas, right? An amazing Christmas. So before we do anything, before we take a look at this, I just want to give a shout out and a big thanks to Nutrimil/Bosch. They are the sponsors of this giveaway. It is hosted by us, Amy Learns to Cook, but they are the sponsors of this giveaway, and they generously is giving one of the Amy Learns to Cook viewers one of these mixers, right? I really appreciate it. So they are launching their Black Friday sale, I believe on the 20th. I'll put a note in my Facebook group about that. I'll put links down in the description to the Bosch mixer if you want to take a look at it. If you got some big cooking plans for Christmas, big cooking plans for Thanksgiving, get a Bosch stand mixer because you will be very happy with it. So, Boo, are you ready?
Sure.
Are you ready? You got your bell going.
I got my bell ready.
The person whose name is in this right here is getting a Bosch stand mixer for Christmas, right? Or maybe sooner than Christmas. But their name. Okay, so this person, I almost forgot. I need you to send me a message through your Gmail account associated with your YouTube account. I need your name, address, and phone number. I'm going to be giving that information to Nutrimil to ship you your mixer. I will not keep your address. I will destroy it after that. I need to hear from you within 48 hours of this video being posted. If you do not respond in 48 hours, I'm going to pick another winner because I can't wait around and chase people, right? You are getting this mixer. Send me your address, phone number, all that fun stuff through your Gmail in your YouTube, and you will get this baby shipped to you. Not this one, but a new one, right? So, Boo, are you ready to hear the winner of the Bosch giveaway? I know you guys are like, why you act like this? Because this is huge. The fact that Bosch is giving one of these away is amazing.
Yeah.
So the winner of the Bosch stand mixer, and I'm so happy to be able to do this because this is a great mixer and it changes people's baking and cooking life. The person that's going to get this has an opportunity to really take their baking to another level. Who is that person that is going to take their baking to another level? Do you know?
Ronald McDonald?
He doesn't know. The winner of the Bosch stand mixer is Morgan Winston, 8843. Morgan, you are the owner of a brand new Bosch stand mixer. Send me your information and I'll get that shipped to you. Thank you, everybody who entered. I really appreciate it. This was fun. I wish I could give a mixer to everybody, but you know that's not possible. Morgan, though, you're getting a mixer, right?
If you respond.
If you respond in 48 hours, right? So the Black Friday sale starts on the 20th of November. So it's the sale, and I will also have an additional code for you to get a little bit more money off to save you a little bit more money. So watch for that. I'm going to be posting in my Facebook group, and I might come on and post it either to the community tab or back to this video, right? The 20th Black Friday sale. The Amy Learns to Cook affiliate code will get you a little more discount. And yeah, you will love this mixer, right? So Morgan, send me those digits, right? Within 48 hours and your stand mixer will be on the way, right? Congratulations and thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.